Good afternoon, ma'am. Now, my name is Jared Baba, Santiago Gili, and RJ Kawati. And now, we are about to make the mixer and speaker work. And leave the rest to Santiago.
Will you introduce the different equipment sayang ang communication?
Let's first introduce different equipment. This is called speaker, and inside of it there is the amplifier.
Di ba,
This equipment is called the mixer.
What's the function of the mixer?
Mixer is to
Yes, RJ?
Is to customize some?
Customize? Yes, very good.
sound system.
Or modulate? Yes.
Now
And
let's introduce the
Chords.
chords.
This is what they call convenience outlet or the extension wire. This is called the power cord.
May I see the power cord? Kindly show them.
This is what they call the audio jack, audio cable.
What's the function of that?
It's used to connect an electric devices to the mixer. This is what they call the XLR. This one is they called the female XLR, and this one is the male XLR. Now let's begin the connection.
Okay.
Let's first use power cord. Gamitin natin ang isang power cord sa speaker. Insert natin dito. And plug it to the extension wire. Second, the mixer to the convenience outlet. This is where we insert the power cord. And plug the male plug to the convenience outlet. Now, let's get the XLR.
Also known as external light.
So, saan ilalagay?
The XLR has two types, female type and the male type.
The female type, let us insert it to the mixer this side.
Which side?
Since the speaker is on the left side, let's insert it on the left.
Okay.
But the male it would be inserted in the speaker, either of the side.
Sige lang.
Make sure that it is inserted properly
Why?
to avoid misconnection.
Now, lastly, let's connect the microphone to the mixer. Since the microphone has the male type,
What are you going to use?
get the female type of the XLR, then insert it in the microphone. For the male type, insert either of these 6 lines.
There.
Sige.
Let's choose this. And lastly,
Before we turn the power on, make sure that it is all off.
All is, what will happen? All is connected, right? Okay, tuloy.
lastly, insert the plug the convenience outlet to the power source.
Ano pa?
Let's test
The mic.
the microphone.
Okay. Also,
Turn it
before
on.
Saan ang inon mo doon? Just the power on.
This side.
Okay, so that will be the power. Then, next.
And the power button of the mixer. Just this one.
Not the phantom.
Ay.
Tama, okay lang. Okay, sige, go. Turn it on. Okay, now that is on, what's the next thing?
Since the speaker's on the left side, let's
Turn on. Turn this on the left side.
Yung nasa left. Sige. Next. Okay. Ano yan?
the microphone is on this side. So taas po natin to. Then this is
The gain.
the function of this
Then,
this used to increase the level of this
volume. Then,
now it's test.
okay, you press it. Okay.
Metis.
Okay, one. Sige, try mo nga.
Metis, 1, 2, 3.
Bagbag ang boses mo.
Hey, Jerry. Di nakansan na nakaisa.
Sige, bye.
Nagayaan mo yung kali.
Let me try the microphone.
Okay mga kaibigan, kailangan po natin nangangailangan tayo ng I think you're not pushing the other button. Nangangailangan po tayo ng technical assistance. Paano natin ibababa ang boses ng bayan? Dito tayo sa boses. Kindly try the third. Third from the start, sa taas. The blue one. Ang boses ng Montañosa. Okay? Patawag kapag napakataas ng pitch. The volume itself is very high. Pwede bang ibaba natin yung volume? Yan. Okay. So what if napakataas? Okay. Sino kaya? Si Santiago San Kagwapuan. Nice. Okay. Nakuha? How do you now? Paano kapag may nagmumura? Okay. Bullshit. Anong premise mo doon? Ulitin natin. I-on mo. Ayan, ano yan? Teka. Bullshit. Okay, sige. That is the ano yan? Mute button. Mute button. Sige. The music. RJ.
This is the cable. Test the music.
Saan kino-connect?
Since this side is used, let us use the other side.
Tapos, prines ang, ano yun? Jaren. The main, line in, the volume, what else? Ano pang? Ayun.
This one.
Ano yan? Yung gain. Try. Volume mo rin dyan. Lang music ah.
Bakit ayaw?
Yun. Try other phones. Mag-ingat ka lang dyan kasi baka mag-feedback ah. Alam ko pa sinabi, sayang. Minus 10 nyo sana. Ay ni. Oo. Sige, try.
Tagal.
Jaren, yung phone mo na. Tanggalin mo yung casing. Uy, mabilis ang kamay nito. Iniintay ko pa man din. Tung! Kanang kamay. Okay, go. Okay. Hindi na press.
Main.
Lakasan mo. Okay.